Hey folks, Auto Repair Champs here. We've got a 2007 Chevy Express 4.8 engine. It's a cargo van, and it was having a problem with the ABS module or the ABS braking issue. And I've noticed when I try to connect my scanner here, plug this into the ODB, plugged in, the switch is on, but I noticed that there's no lights on the Bluetooth unit here for my scanner to connect to the PCM. So then I got a little more interested in this, as I wanted to find out what else could be affected by the ODB port is not working. And I grabbed one of these little USB chargers that's got a light. And normally when these ODB ports are bad, they cause something else not to work, like the lights or the cigarette lighter. So I was like, let me try to see if this works or not. And sure enough, when I plug it in, there is no light right here. Now on the right side is operated by a different fuse. So it looks like one of them is working, another one is not working. Now it appears like the left side is connected to the same fuse or same circuit as the ODB port here. So anyways, we're gonna just take this off for a minute, and then we're gonna go to the fuse box here and see if we find any burnt fuses. Looking at this fuse box here, let's see if we find any cigar or any ODB fuses or a lighter fuse. So nothing here. Oh, okay. I see 30 to be a lighter, and that's 15 amp, which is gonna be right there. So we're gonna, first thing we're gonna do is test that. Let me see if there's anything indicates an ODB port. I don't see anything with ODB in it, but I wanna try this 30 here and see if it's burnt. So let me get one of my pliers here. I use something like this, and we can test the fuse to see if it's actually burnt or not without removing it by using one of the fuse tester here. Just want to connect this to the negative. See if this is a good connection here, and let's try that 15. So it's going to be this one here, the blue one. Oh, look at that. So we got a light from one side and not on the other side. So let's go ahead and pull that fuse and see what's going on. It's burnt. See, the circuit inside here is broken. That link is broken right there. So what we're gonna do, yeah, you can clearly see it right there. What we're gonna do, we're gonna look to see how many amp this is. It is 15. Let's go ahead and before we get this fuse right there goes in the garbage. Let's see, I got some extra fuses here. Let's use one of the 15. This is good fuse here. Let's go ahead and plug this in. Okay, we're good. I'm gonna go ahead and try my cigarette lighter. Oh, look at that. My unit is on, as you can see. It's got power now. There you go, it just connected to my scanner. And let's try my USB here. Perfecto. So this video actually it's one of those two-in-one things that it fixed two problems, but one part was replaced, and it was that number 30 fuse right there. That LTR stands for lighter, and it was number 30. Thanks for watching, folks. Have a great day.